gosh, these windows. These windows are terrible.
Our windows are fine. What are you talking about?
You try. Show me. Oh yeah, see? Look at that. Oh, maybe, just maybe.
I don't know, maybe we need new windows. I don't know.
You think?
Yeah, today we're going to talk to you about the 5 reasons why you may want new windows. One reason is the operation of your windows. And a lot of people in Texas don't open their windows, but when it starts to get a little cooler, like it has, it might want to open them up and get some fresh air. Or if they're for egress or fire escape in a bedroom, you want your child to actually be able to open the window so they can escape. So that is a safety hazard.
Yeah.
What's one of the other reasons you might want new windows?
Well, I mean, looking at the window itself, like this is not a thing of beauty. These more dated windows, even the hardware, just even opening the hardware is tough. I might break a nail first of all, but frames are dated, the color's dated. So when we have these replaced, it's gonna totally transform the look of this. And the color, by the way. For those of you that like that black, like the brick and the black and the white, or if you want to paint your brick white, there's so many options with windows anymore in colors.
Yeah, and then the other thing is efficiency. So energy efficiency, everybody's seeing their power bills go up, and windows can actually cut your cost or your energy usage in your house by up to 20%, or for some people even more. Which for another reason, if you're thinking about doing solar, would actually reduce the number of panels you need to get. So it would actually reduce the cost of solar too as well, and save you a lot of money over time. A lot of people don't realize you're actually paying to keep your ugly windows. And so it's gonna help even out the temperature in your home. It's gonna help reduce glare on things like a TV. It's going to reduce noise that's coming in. So we have people working on our house, you can probably even hear that. Just coming right in because there's nothing blocking the noise. So noise from blowers, from pool equipment, from AC units while you're sleeping.
Those might all be real life circumstances.
And right now we have a offer too for, the sound package is actually a free upgrade on every window we do. The other thing is
Sweating.
The sweating, yeah. No one likes sweaty windows. So in the wintertime, it's kind of a safety hazard. A lot of people don't realize that. They'll put towels down on their window and things like that to soak up the sweat. But that sweat, actually having that moisture there, actually attracts mold growth. Also can cause rot underneath the window. And so that's another safety hazard you want to be aware of. Resale value is the other thing. So when you have a more efficient home, you have a better looking home, you have a more comfortable home, and a safer home, that equals resale value. And the National Association of Realtors actually does a study every year on what home improvement projects increase the value of your home more. And guess what? Windows is one of the highest on the list.
It's a joy score, right?
Well, they have a joy score too. There's 2 things. One is a joy score. So when you do invest the money in your home on home improvement projects, what gives you the most joy? And one of those is windows. A lot of people think kitchen would do it. Windows is up there too as well. And then resale value, anywhere from 56 to 75% immediate return on investment when you replace windows. A lot of people in Texas don't realize that aluminum windows were taken out of building code back in 1992 in 42 out of 50 states. Texas wasn't one of those. So
come on, Texas.
A lot of people had windows
Get with the show.
that were aluminum all the way up until about 2012 or so. So if you have aluminum windows, you should definitely want to look at what you can do to correct that.
And then too, one other thing I'll add, I don't think we mentioned, is windows are one of the few things in the home that when you replace or improve them, it will improve the inside as well as the outside. So it will literally transform the outside of your home. If you're thinking about painting white, maybe your brick, painting it white, adding some black windows, from that outside totally transform. On the inside too, these old ugly windows, just imagine when it's all open glass, transform the inside and the outside at the same time. It's a win-win.
Yep, and then so give us a call, reach out to us, click the link below, fill out the form, and we'll schedule a free consultation. We'll show you the different window options. We'll give you a price that's good for 30 days. There's no high pressure in sales like you may have experienced in the past. And we have a special offer right now. We do have a limited number of these though, so you will want to act fast, where your windows can actually take you on vacation. A lot of people, when they do a remodeling project in their home, they're thinking they're gonna forego a vacation.
In order to do the windows,
in order to do that, the windows or another home improvement, we're gonna actually take you on vacation. So
well, we won't probably come with you. You go enjoy yourself.
So you will receive a cruise or a condo voucher for qualifying purchases. So reach out and click the link below.
All right, and find out why
we are high performance.